Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Chris Lambert here. I finally got 10,000 subscribers, so I wanted to give a big shout out to everybody who subscribed and who continues to watch my channel. And today we're going to have a short unboxing. I only have a few minutes, so let's see what we've got. Let's start out with these smaller boxes. Let's see what's in here. I just one from Walmart. Walmart.com. You can see. Okay, I'm still searching for the perfect setup for my tripod. I found this tripod. It looks like it might have a GoPro type holder on it too, but I got this for only $4.99. So I'm thinking it's an older tripod. Here's it. I don't know if you can read that. I don't know who it's by. It just says SL3 selfie stick integrated tripod. Let's check this out, see if it's similar to my old one. Here we got some instructions. Little instruction book. Looks like it's not in English. Well, maybe this is. Okay. Looks similar to my original one I've been using. Let's not lose that. Open this up. A little different. So here we go. It opens up like this. No rubber feet. Goes like that. Opens up about that far. Here we got the camera mount. Oh, this camera thing opens like this. I'm not too crazy about the ones that swivel open, but yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, not bad. Looks like it's nice and wide though. Yeah, this might. I can get some rubber feet on there. And this might be decent. So that's a tripod for $4.99 at Walmart.com. I think it cost probably $11 or $12 with shipping and everything. So let's go to the next one. Flip this one open. And you know, I'm still searching for the perfect tripod and mount, so foam mount. So I got this newer. I don't know how to pronounce it. I pronounce it newer. Whoop, that's not my knife. Let's see what this one looks like. It's in a little Ziploc bag. Pretty nice. This one's all metal. I forgot what I paid for it, but oh, it's got a nice swivel to it. I like that. You can swivel it around, and this is the part I really like, is you can bend it back and forth like this. It's got an adjustment here. It's got this one seemed to have all kinds of mounts, so you can mount a cold shoe. Here you got a cold shoe mount. Here you've got a cold shoe mount. So you can put lights, microphones on there. It showed it in the picture like this with a light on each side and probably a microphone here. So this one's really nice. I like this one. I'd say that's a winner right there. Slide it in. It's got the screw. You tighten it so it should have a little wrench, but it doesn't. That's okay. You can always buy a multi-tool or a single wrench, and I have wrenches from the other ones anyway. So That was a good one right there. I forgot what it cost, but a metal ones cost more. And then the final thing from Halloween.com. Now, as you know, if you've been watching my Wednesday videos, and if you've seen the Wednesday Netflix TV series directed by Tim Burton, I watched it. I really liked it, and I wanted to get. I got about 14 people to dress up as the characters from that 2022 TV show Netflix, and I've been having problems with the costume for the girl who's playing Goody Adams, Wednesday's ancestor from the Pilgrim days. So went through 2 pairs of shoes that didn't fit, so I just broke down and went to Halloween.com, and I just got the Pilgrim shoes that they were selling. They were like $60 some. Starting to rain out now, so there we go. They're not supposed to be pretty. Some people call these witch shoes. And by the way, Goody Adams was a witch, or she was accused of being a witch. So hopefully this size will fit. I'm going to have to end this pretty quick because it's starting to rain out. So there we go. So yeah, let's put this all away. Wrap this up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I've got my 10,000 viewers on my way. My next goal is 100,000 viewers so I can get my YouTube plaque. Thank you all. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Chris Lambert, thank you. Bye.